Stop. Yield. Speed limit. No U-turn. No left turn. No right turn. One way. No entry. Pedestrian crossing. School zone. Railroad crossing. Roundabout. Slippery road. Road work ahead. Merge. Dead end. No parking. Handicapped parking. Exit. Sharp curve ahead. Traffic light ahead. Bridge ices before road. Bump. Deer crossing. Bicycle lane. Falling rocks. Steep hill. Tunnel. No honking. Hospital. Gas station. Rest area. Airport. Ferry. Fire station. Bus stop. Taxi stand. Weight limit. Height limit. Width limit. No overtaking. Road narrows. Divided highway. Low clearance. Slow down. Keep right. Keep left. No bicycles. No pedestrians. School bus stop ahead. Right lane must turn right. Left lane must turn left. Maximum speed. Minimum speed. Crossroad. T-intersection. Y-intersection. Traffic signal. Cattle crossing. Horse crossing. Farm equipment crossing. Falling ice. Narrow bridge. Road closed. Construction zone. End of construction. Detour. Soft shoulder. Pavement ends. Uneven road. Emergency vehicles. Lane ends. HOV lane. Wrong way. Truck crossing. Slower traffic, keep right. Reduced speed ahead. No turn on red. Ferry crossing. Drawbridge. Wildlife crossing. No passing zone. No stopping. Stop ahead. Slow-moving vehicle. Handicap accessible route. Pedestrian zone. Road flooding. Escape ramp. Express lane. Shared lane. End of speed limit. Truck prohibited. School speed limit. Fire lane. Road ends. Steep descent ahead. Hidden driveway. Right turn only. Left turn only.